Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create an Intuit Credit Karma account. The first thing I want you to do is come here to the website, just tap here on sign up, and then enter an email address, put in a password, and then just click on sign up. First you need to enter your first name, last name, and basically just select anything here that applies. This is really optional. Tap on continue, and then enter your address, click on continue. Enter your social security and a date of birth and hit continue again. You just need to enter the last 4 digits, okay? And you just need to toggle this one on basically to agree to the terms and conditions. Tap and continue again. You need to enter your phone number, tap and continue. They'll give you a verification code. Okay, enter that verification code and tap and continue. And as you can see, we have created our account. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe